Part 1. The Cosmic Stowaways Tom, chasing Jerry through a high-tech laboratory, accidentally activates an experimental teleporter machine. In a flash of blue light, they are both beamed aboard the ISS, Interstellar Shenanigans Station, a bustling space station orbiting Earth. They float, confused, in the middle of a zero-gravity module. Part 2. Zero-gravity shock Tom tries to pounce on Jerry, but instead of leaping, he just spins slowly in the air. Jerry tries to run, but his feet find no purchase. They both flail their arms and legs, discovering the hilarious and frustrating rules of zero-gravity movement for the first time. Part 3. The astronaut's reaction Commander Spike, a tough bulldog astronaut, floats into the module. He sees the two new specimens and mistakes them for part of a new experiment. Oof. Mission Control sent me 2 zero-gravity test subjects. Let's see how they behave, he grumbles, jotting notes on a floating clipboard. Part 4. The food tube fiasco Jerry, being small, figures out how to move by pushing off walls. He finds the astronauts' food supply, tubes of delicious space paste, beef and cheese flavor. Tom, desperate, tries to snag one, but when he bites it, the paste squirts everywhere, creating floating, delicious globs that they both try to catch with their mouths. Part 5. The Super Soaker Squirter Tom finds a device used for watering plants in the station's biolab. He thinks it's a water gun and aims it at Jerry. He pulls the trigger, and a stream of water shoots out. But in space, the water doesn't fall. It forms a wobbly, floating bubble that Tom accidentally drifts into, getting himself trapped in a sphere of water. Part 6. The robotic arm chase Jerry, seeking the ultimate hiding spot, sneaks into the control cupola and accidentally bumps the joystick, controlling the station's giant robotic arm. The arm comes to life outside the window, with a startled Tom clinging to it. The arm starts moving, giving Tom a wild, spinning ride through the starry void. Part 7. The tangled Tether Commander Spike decides to go on a spacewalk to fix a satellite. Tom and Jerry, still chasing each other, get their tails tangled in his safety tether. When Spike pushes off, he accidentally takes the duo with him on a spacewalk. They float beside him, wide-eyed with fear, holding their breath unnecessarily in a vacuum of space. Part 8. The satellite repair mishap Spike tries to turn a bolt on the satellite. Jerry, trying to be helpful or mischievous, hands him tools from the toolkit. Tom, trying to catch Jerry, bumps into Spike, sending the bolt floating away. Now, they have to work together to catch the runaway bolt before it's lost forever. Part 9. The heroic save a tiny space mouse, a real astronaut mouse in a tiny suit, is doing repairs nearby. Its jetpack malfunctions, sending it spinning toward deep space.